Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression review. Today we are taking a look at the Sensationnel Laisha unit. As always, I purchased the Snow Jet Black one. That is my preference. Getting into some specs about this unit. It is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. It is made from a 100% premium fiber. It is a lace front unit. It has ear-to-ear lace with baby hair, but you guys are going to find out what I did to the baby hair later. And as always, on the back of the information card, they include other colors that you can purchase this unit in, as well as care instructions for the unit. And this is from their Sheer Muse line. And I'll make sure that I leave a link down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase this unit. Taking a closer look at the cap construction on this unit, you guys can see that there are two combs that are on the outermost perimeter, closer to the ear portion of this unit. And then right here around the middle parting space, there's not really anything surrounding it. At the bottom of the unit, you guys can see that there is an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. So straight out of the package, this unit looks ridiculous. These baby hairs look like bangs. If we're being completely honest, they are very, very long. Oh my goodness. I don't know how many times I can say it. I hate baby hairs. I don't understand it. It just looks like really bad breakage, and I don't understand the purpose of them, except for as somebody who has edges, I don't understand the purpose of them. So you guys can see it still has that lace, the customary amount of lace that these units do come with. As always, I'm gonna go in, style it, come back to you guys, let you guys know what I did to style it, and then all of my thoughts, comments, concerns, and more specs about the unit. All right, we're back. This is the final styling of the unit. I really like it. I did go in and I did a thing. So when I was trimming out the lace, I also trimmed off the baby hairs. There was a pretty clear line of demarcation between the actual hairline and the baby hairs, so I just followed and cut along the line and trimmed them off because these are really, really long. You guys saw when I first put it on, this looks disgusting. I don't like that. I don't want to waste the time gelling that down. I just want to plop it on and keep it moving. So as you can see, I cut off the baby hairs and problem solved with this unit. As with the parting space, I applied my usual, the Ultra Contour Kit Bombshell Bronzer to the scalp, and that helped make it look a little more realistic. I went through and brushed out the unit just to add a little more volume, and it did a very good job of retaining its original texture, which is good because when you get these curly, wavy, textured units, then you always worry about how much brushing can I do without the curls dropping, and how much brushing can I do with it retaining its original look. I will say that the information card, the curls that are on this information card and the curls in person, they do look pretty different. I actually prefer the curls that I have in person. On the information card, it's a little more piecey, it's a little more clumped together, but I actually prefer this. This looks like you just did some big braids and then unraveled them in the morning. It's very beachy, very salty, saltwater hair. It gives you crimper vibes. That's, you know, everybody's styling their hair with the big barrel crimpers right now, so this is very on trend. In terms of length, this comes down to almost the tops of my hips. My belly button is right here, and I am 5'9" and some change. In terms of the shedding, I only got a few strands, which is really good because with curly or more textured hair, you expect a lot more shedding. And I think because it is curly like this, you're not really going to have to brush it out too much. I don't see myself having my hands in this unit. It's basically already styled. In terms of the fit of the unit, it is definitely big head friendly, feels good, didn't have to adjust any of the strap. In terms of styling effort for this unit, it's minimal effort. You just have to run the brush through once or twice to get a little more volume added to the unit. In terms of the luster of this unit, it just has a very dull, natural luster, not too shiny, which is good because it makes it look even more realistic. Overall, I'm getting mermaid vibes from this. Again, this is definitely vacation hair that you would see me wearing, but I really like it. It has a good density, feels good on the head, it's not too heavy. And as usual with my units, I see myself trimming this up and getting multiple styles out of the same unit. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely leave them down below in the not the description box, in the comment section. If you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, bring a friend next time, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.